We made it. Yeah, big one. For the next 24 hours, me and my best friend are walking down to some lakes down here. Gonna try to catch some fish, sleep in a tent, and having a wonderful time. Walking down this trail to the lake. And I can see the lake now. It's gonna be a really good trip. I'm gonna catch many fish and have a really good time. Yeah. Look at this lake. It's so beautiful. It's just so amazing. Look what we found. A fishing cabin. This is cool. This is cool. Oh, yes. But yeah, we will put up the tent now. Camp is up and we are gonna put this in and I will show you the inside in a minute. This is where my friend is gonna sleep, this is where I'm gonna sleep, and in a few hours a friend of us are gonna come sleep right here with us tonight and be with us in the morning. Okay, we're gonna set up our rods now and then we're gonna do some fishing in this beautiful lake. So this is all of the fishing gear I brought. 3 boxes of flies, 1 for worm and a bobber, spinners and wobblers, and some jigs and stuff, and swivels. So yeah, it's raining, but we have seen a lot of fish surfacing. So we are gonna go fish now, and yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Fish on. It's a fish on. It's a trout. Nice trout. I switched to a Rapala and then he just went for it. It's a dark one. Look at this trout. Yes, finally. Or actually, that took around 5 minutes for us to catch that fish. I used this Rapala, and yeah, that's a trout. Let's go! Yeah. Han er svær! Han er svær! Big fish. That's a good fish.
Så han var ikke der I stad.
Yeah. Might be 400 grams max. Around 300 to 400 grams. Yeah, he took it on the drop. No.
Er det abbor?
Nei, det mini. Yeah, no, it was 200 grams.
Men det var fin da. Fin spisefisk.
It's...
Oi,
yeah,
så finner han seg.
not the biggest. Yeah, so this was what my friend caught. This is mine. So we're gonna put them in the water and go fish just on the other side. And yeah, I will turn on the camera if I have a fish on. Or if something interesting happens. Yeah, yeah, big one, big one, big one. Yeah, that's definitely... Oh, it's a perch. Want to do a release. The fish are jumping. Another perch. Woohoo! Let's go! Little perch. I release because we are fishing for trout, because that's the best eating fish. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, another fish. This is fun. This is so fun. This is really small, but still, it's fun. What is this? Yeah, fish, fish. Yes, fish. A little bit bigger one. Yes, that's my 9th fish of the day. Keeper size perch. I don't know what happened to the bite. It was really good. I caught 11 fish over there, but it's a storm pushing in. So I'm gonna go back to camp over there and yeah, find out what we're gonna do next. We are gonna go find some more wood and lay it in that pile behind there, because we're gonna cook some food on here tonight. And if the storm hits, it might get cold, so it would be great to have some good fire. Some wood in a pile there. Here's the guy I was talking about earlier. Yeah,
hello, hello.
We are making delicious food. We are making a kilo of this. It's gonna be delicious.
Ja. People, look at this. Absolutely awesome stuff.
Yeah.
Really good.
Hey!
Yeah.
Smøret ditt brenner! Smøret ditt...
What?
This guy's butter is burning.
Hvordan?
Åh.
Jeg tror kanskje den ikke er ment til å steke. Det er ment til å koke ting i det.
Sikker på det der er... Get your bow.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Welcome you are. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna eat up this shit and
Fish more.
do some fishing and yeah, build a fire when it gets dark.
Just enjoy nature.
Enjoy life. So we are gonna walk up this hill to see if we can get some good viewpoints, and we are gonna have a good time. Yes.
Man, bro, it's blue there. Gray there. Not feeling that water, bro.
Yeah. Beautiful. In the forest of Norway. We have the Snapchat spotlight dude.
Nei, jeg er ikke det. Jeg er ikke det.
Yes, you are.
Du sa...
So the plan now is for us to walk back to camp because
We don't want our stuff to get stolen, yeah. Yeah.
so we don't want our stuff to get stolen. So we are gonna walk back to camp now and
Det er bjørn.
Nei. Good. Back to camp. Ah. We're going on that evening fishing trip around the lake, and I got you on the chest mount just in case if something bites. Not planning to film much. I'm tired as shit, so skal det komme noe? No, not again. The weather is shit. It's raining way too much for us to start a fire right now. That's why you have to subscribe, because we made it and we are good people. We made it in the rain. That's why Norwegian are built different. I bought myself a good juicy beer. Yeah! Oh shit. I might just blind the camera. Got some juicy salt in here. Sea salt. Just gonna sprinkle it on top. Yeah,
That's what we're talking about.
that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Look at this beautiful steak. I'm gonna munch down this. Oh, yeah. That's gonna be some good eating food. That is pretty perfect. Bloody red in the middle. Now you're having some fish. I just took a really good shit. It was so amazing. We are gonna go to bed and try to get some rest, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, good morning. I have a problem because all of the videos that was from this day, I don't know where they went. They are not on my camera, not on my phone, not anywhere. But yeah, I hope you like this video.